Picture this. It's 2 a.m., and a major hospital loses power for 2 minutes. Life support switches to backup, surgeries stall, and critical systems crash. Tens of thousands in damage and disruption. That scene repeats across hospitals, data centers, manufacturers, and telecom sites. Our aging grid no longer guarantees mission-critical reliability. At Forerunner Energy, we offer a better way: integrated renewable energy. Not just panels or generators, but coordinated systems combining solar, advanced energy storage, microgrids, and intelligent controls. When the grid fails, operations keep running. When demand spikes, costs stay controlled. We design solutions where downtime is unacceptable, aiming for 99.999% uptime, under 5 minutes per year, versus the grid's typical 99.9%. The outcome is more than backup power. It's energy independence, predictable costs, and operational resilience that protects people, equipment, and revenue. If uninterrupted power matters to your organization, learn how integrated renewable energy can protect your operations. Visit forerunnerenergy.net to discover what 99.999% reliability really means.